As you know, the neurodegenerative disease and more generally brain health in Europe is a high and huge cost in terms of life and in terms of economy. GPND, the Joint Neurodegenerative Disease Research Programs, had been set up to tackle the challenge of neurodegenerative disease and at the first front, the Alzheimer's disease. But this is one part only on brain health, and it's very important that the consortium which have been made through the neurodegenerative disease, which actually encompasses 30 countries, which is one of the biggest collaborations, actually international collaborations in the world, could be extended to other disease and have a global view, because the condition of success in this type of disease are two. The first one is you need to have a large critical mass of researchers, and the second, you need to raise more and more money to solve the questions rapidly. So going together with, for instance, GPND, neuron, HBP is one of this condition of success to fight this and tackle this challenge of brain health. 3 years ago, discussions began with the European Commission to try to set up a new partnership between the European Commission's GPND and other organizations that were working to improve brain health. The idea to have help from the Commission through the programs called EBRA, associating GPND, but also the ERANET neurons, the human brain projects, and all the scientific society covered by European Brain Council, was a unique opportunity to try to work together, to begin to discuss and to create one of the most important things, a common research, strategic and innovation agenda. All along these 3 last years, we begin to better know each other, to discuss, to identify gaps in the brain health research organizations, try to stimulate the researchers, make us better known, and begin to identify some common axes that should be able to deliver a common research, strategic and innovation agenda. Now we are in the phase where we are trying to write this, to disseminate it, and to begin to think about the way of governance and partnership we could set up. But the main element now is that with all these different partners, it's probably more easier to convince the different countries to invest in such a partnership, which is the key and the real key of success. So the next future will be to convince the different countries in Europe and perhaps beyond to invest in this brain health partnership, and then to prepare the new programs of the commissions just to introduce the concept of brain health and try to be able to create in the next few years a new and very brilliant and large partnership.